no way. It's just impossible. It's impossible. Oh my God, I feel like I'm gonna cry. Look at this. And then I love those trees over there. And then our campground is over there somewhere. In those trees. Far into those trees.
Beautiful.
Whoa. Crazy stuff. Just completely mind blown. Here we are, off the mountain. And look at that. We're at the lake. We're camping kind of over right there, actually. Billie Holiday's excited. She loves it. Oh, Amanda! You ready to swim, girl? We made it to our campground. Check this out. We're on the top of this, and then we have the lake. We're way up in the mountains, so this is kind of coming down. Look at that. Crazy cool. I don't know if you could tell, but that lake looks like you could swim in it. And there's our campground. There's our tent. So it was like 2 hours, probably a little longer from our from City of Rocks, where our rig is at. So obviously we had to buy a tent. Pretty reasonable. Yeah. We're going back to the olden days in tent camping, which we like anyway. Pretty nice. I mean, this is a sight. I'm sure this video doesn't give it any justice, but my God. I'm so overwhelmed on how beautiful everything is. I don't know what those are. They're not, are those are, there's no ducks. What are those things over?
What do you call
Oh. Look, coots. Was that a word you just made up?
No, it's called a coot. It's a little duck-looking thing. Waterfowl.
Okay. Now I am lost. Okay, well, we did it. We camped out. That's was like 38 or 30. We don't even know. Enough for the dogs' food dishes to their water froze. And we're getting ready to take off. There's that lake again. That's Lake Richardson? Roberts?
Lake Robert?
Yeah. It's pretty cool. And there's the sun. It's like 6:30 in the morning. We woke up probably about 4 and got really super cold. So we've been up since then, but strangely enough, it seems like it's like even colder than it was at 4. We went ahead and did a fire, which was cool. And I'm hoping the sun's gonna heat us up. But very cool place, very cool campground. Pretty cool, man. That's all she wrote.